How can you use books on the Apple Watch offline? So let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you might be interested in some of the things, like obviously you check out the app on the like watch, which is for the books, whatever. It can work, but it is for the audiobooks only. The Apple Watch doesn't really give you the ability to import like an actual book in here with the text, because it would be like impractical on the small screen of the watch, right? So that is fine, whatever. But if you really want to bring in some sort of text, I would recommend you to use a PDF file, and then there are some dedicated PDF apps for the Apple Watch. So it's not like ideal because still the screen is very small, but there are some like documents app for the Apple Watch which you can download from the App Store. For example, there is the wrist dock PDF. So this is what it looks like, and this app gives you the ability to basically import and use some PDF files on the watch itself, right? So it's very useful because you basically get to just see some documents right there on the wrist, so it gets the job done, right? And that is how you can basically do it. So yeah, just explore these, like the Apple Watch PDFs, have the file ready so you can actually import something to it, and you should be able to browse the files directly on your wrist. However, you can also just check out some of the settings for audiobooks inside of the Watch app on the iPhone and see what is available, so you'll be able to add them there. But if you want to use it, well, you at first have to get some audiobooks through the official iPhone Books app, and then these can be synced to the Apple Watch as well. So let me know what you think about it. This was just a quick guide on how you could do it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well.